Welcome to this immaculate one-owner home, perfectly situated in the highly sought-after Morgan's Run neighborhood of Bethany. The backyard is truly a highlight, a private oasis complete with planter beds, sprinklers, and established fruit trees, ideal for relaxing, entertaining, or enjoying a bit of gardening. This home blends timeless curb appeal with lasting quality, where you can unwind on the inviting front porch. Then head inside and discover a thoughtful layout designed for both everyday living and special gatherings. You'll find gracious formal and informal spaces throughout, pre-finished hardwood floors, tall ceilings, and large windows providing abundant natural light. The kitchen features granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a gas cooktop ready for creating your favorite cuisine. French doors open to a versatile office or den, perfect for remote work or quiet study. Upstairs, you'll find 4 spacious bedrooms, 3 with walk-in closets, including a generous vaulted primary suite with a well-appointed updated ensuite bath. Enjoy the comfort of brand new carpet, updated lighting, and fresh interior paint, making this home feel move-in ready. The 2-car garage offers impressive storage with extensive built-in shelving, ensuring a place for everything. Head back outside to your serene, fenced backyard retreat, a wonderful space to unwind or entertain guests. It's also located just moments from walking trails, Bethany Village shops, restaurants, grocery stores, and great schools. Experience the very best of Bethany, living in this beautifully maintained home, where comfort, convenience, and community come together. For more information or to schedule your personal tour, please contact Lisa Davis with Keller Williams.